They say holding in a sneeze is polite, but did you know it can actually blow a hole in your throat? You see, a sneeze travels at over 100 miles per hour. When you pinch your nose to stop it, all that high-pressure air has nowhere to go, so it shoots back into your body. This pressurized air is forced into your sinuses and ears. It's strong enough to rupture your eardrums, pop blood vessels in your eyes, or even cause air bubbles to form in your chest tissue. So the next time you feel a tickle, don't hold it in. Just grab a tissue, because that air needs to come out.